underhook. There you go. Drive it, punch it through. Alright, hey, stop it, give one back here. Get back here, let's go. Pressure back, pressure into him, pressure into him. Good. Finish. Up. Drop forward. Good.
I did. I think we still need to stick with it.
Good work, take your time here. Go, Dad.
Hey, remember, don't get that elbow too high. Keep it low. Now work it. Stay that way, it's not working. You're good, you have that anchor in. You're good. Circle him out. Circle him out.
You got it.
Cut it out. There you go.
Jump to it.
It's just like how we can't.
Load it. Alright.
Especially when he's just.
Walk it out. Walk it out. You're good.
Look for a bundle in there.
At some point, you have to be able to take losses.
Sorry, bud. 35. Better movement.
Heavy. I believe you. Alright, clear first. You're good. You're good. Stop. Good. Alright.
Good.
Hey. Heavy with the hands.
One good one. Elbow
Still gets it.
There you go. Get it.
Bounce.
You got 9. You got time.
Alright. Hey, just keep working.
That's the.
Hey, same thing as last time. Catch your common swim.
Yeah, you know what he's going to try to do, so come on.
Good.
They're ready.
Now working there. You're good. Shake. Good.
Let's go. Get it rolling here. Good setup.
Good stuff, dude.
That's the top level.
Overtime.
Punch it. Alright. Hey.
Hey, that score's not right.
7-3.
Hey.
We can start the escape.
Stay with it up here. Come on.
Good hands here, come on.
Get it moving. Come on.
There you go. Good.
Great shot.
Circle back.
Bump it. Watch what you're trying to stick through. They're taking head side.
Hey, you got it. Use your knee. Use the other knee. There you go.
Watch it. Crossing. Get it out of a bundle. Come on.
Alright, now get with the cradle. Now get with the cradle. Forward, pressure forward more. Pressure forward more. Over his right shoulder. Over his right shoulder hard. It'll go. Good. Load it. Now you go.
Now you got your 5. Go show him. Pop up. Show him. Easy.
Hey, time! Clock! Clock! Hey, clock! It's like 20 yards. Hey! That's close. 18, 17, that's close. Hey, you need to dig deep, kid. Hey, you got 18 this period. You're up by 12.
You gotta be tight.
Stay tight, stay tight. There you go. You're good, push it in. No points, no points. Watch the roll, watch the roll.
4.
Good.
Done. Alright, good job.
Hey, lay down your back, lay down your back.
Hey, just like he likes to roll around there a little bit. Just watch your hips.
Hey, let's go. Heavy hands, heavy hands.
All low level stuff.
Outside wrestling.
Yeah.
Move him. Heavy hands. Elbow lead.
All right.
Get out of there.
Snap, heavy snap. Heavy snap here. Good, hey, your foot went out. You're good. Go on your feet. Go on your feet.
Don't be lazy. Move your feet.
Unscrew on that underhook side.
Elbow lead, some hard left.
There you go. Good. Way to move. Way to move.
Good footwork, Harris. Good.
Get on, get on.
Good.
Stop it.